In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align paragraph in WPS Office Writer Mobile 2026. If you're working on a document in WPS Office Writer on your phone or tablet and want your text to look clean and professional, paragraph alignment is one of the quickest ways to get there. Let's walk through it together from start to finish so you can apply the exact look you want in just a few taps. First, open your document in the WPS Office app. Once it's on screen, decide which paragraph or portion of text you want to format. Tap and hold on a word to bring up the selection handles, then drag them to include the full paragraph. If you don't select anything, WPS will apply alignment to the paragraph where your cursor is blinking, which is handy when you're working line by line. Next, look along the bottom of your screen for the editing controls. Depending on your version, this may be labeled Tools or Edit. It often looks like a small wrench or pencil. Tap that to open the formatting options. From there, go to the home area or the paragraph section. On some devices, paragraph appears as its own panel. On others, it's grouped under home. If your keyboard is hiding the toolbar, briefly minimize it so you can see all the icons. Now tap alignment. You'll see 4 choices. Left align is the standard for most body text in English and keeps the left edge straight while the right edge is ragged. Center align places your text in the middle, perfect for titles, headings, or short lines like invitations. Right align keeps the right edge straight, which works well for dates, signatures, or callouts that need to line up on the right. Justify aligns both the left and right edges so the paragraph forms a clean block. It looks polished for reports and brochures, though it can create wider spaces between words on narrow screens. As soon as you choose an option, your paragraph updates instantly, so you can see the result right away. If it doesn't look quite right, simply pick a different alignment. You can also select multiple paragraphs at once and apply the same alignment to all of them to keep your document consistent. If you change your mind, use the undo arrow to revert. A quick tip: when using Justify on very short lines or narrow columns, keep an eye on spacing. If the words look too spread out, switch back to left align for better readability. And remember, you can repeat these same steps for any other section of your document to keep everything uniform. That's it. With these simple taps, you can control how your text sits on the page,